Every landlord hits the same ceiling. You only have so many hours in the day. If you're buried in tenant calls, chasing late payments, or stuck coordinating repairs, there's no time left to expand your portfolio, let alone enjoy your life. But what if your day-to-day tasks ran themselves, freeing you up to add more doors, more units, and more income without burning out? Welcome back to our Agentic AI for Rental Management series, where we break down how real Agentic AI, not just basic automation, unlocks more growth for busy landlords and property managers. Today we're focusing on scalability, how Agentic AI helps you handle more units with less stress so you can grow your rental business without adding more hours to your week. When you're managing just a few units, doing it all yourself works for a while, but the second you grow, 5 units becomes 10, 10 becomes 20, and you hit a wall where your system, spreadsheets, and sticky notes can't keep up. Missed maintenance requests, late renewals, unreturned calls, it snowballs. And instead of growing your income, you're stuck just trying to keep your head above water. This is exactly where Agentic AI steps in. Unlike basic software that just gives you reminders, MagicDoor's Agentic AI acts like a smart virtual assistant that handles tasks for you automatically. It answers tenant questions day or night, handles routine maintenance triage, follows up on rent payments, and tracks lease renewals, all without you lifting a finger. And when something truly needs your decision, the AI flags it for you with all the details ready to go. No hunting through emails or digging through spreadsheets. Let's see how this plays out. Say you manage 10 units today, and each generates dozens of routine messages every week. Questions about rent, maintenance, move-ins, move-outs. MagicDoor's Agentic AI handles those instantly so your inbox stays clear, freeing you up to handle the big picture. And these answers are not just basic chatbot answers, they are specified to the specific tenant, to the specific lease, or to the specific maintenance request. That is the power of Agentic AI versus basic automation. Or maybe you're expanding into a new building. The AI keeps your leases organized, tracks payments, and catches potential maintenance issues early so you don't waste money on emergency fixes later. The bigger you grow, the more the AI picks up on, not you. The truth is, the only way to scale without burnout is to remove yourself from the daily grind. Agentic AI does exactly that. It runs the day-to-day tasks that slow you down so you can focus on adding more doors, exploring new markets, or simply enjoying the portfolio you've already built. Now, a lot of platforms claim they help you scale, but they still expect you to push every button. MagicDoor is built from the ground up with Agentic AI, meaning it actually does the work in the background. It's not just a reminder. It's smart, fast, and designed by real property managers and top AI engineers who know how to make rental growth practical, not complicated. And MagicDoor is completely free, so you can automate everything we've talked about, and all the other videos in this series go more into depth about what each of these automations look like for free with MagicDoor. So go to magicdoor.com or click the link below. Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Check out the previous episodes in the playlist. And if you have any questions, comment them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.